and these work amazing because obviously. What is up, my cutie gang? Yo, why is the camera so close, bro? It's mad close. But I know I have not on this channel in so long. Like I don't know, y'all. I always be telling y'all I'm gonna come back, but apparently I can't even keep my promises. I'm so sorry, guys. Like I've been so busy. I know I always say this, literally, y'all. I have 6:15, actually 6 a.m. morning practice, like 3 days a week, school. Then I got 2 AP classes. I got AP history. We have like a minimum of 3 pages of homework a day. I have AP reading. That's not even that bad, but I have math, and y'all know how math is. So those are literally it, kind of excuses, guys. I need to stop making excuses, and I need to come on this page because I'm saying all this, but at the same time, I am showing up on the main page like 3 times a week. Anyways, y'all, I need to come back on this channel. But anyways, as y'all see by the title, today I'm going to be taking Akaya's brand new, oh, I was showing my shoes, Tesla for a drive, and we are going to be shopping. Let this Tesla pick what hygiene products I'm gonna use. That's gonna be pretty interesting. I don't know if y'all can see in the camera. I have kind of bad skin, so hopefully this Tesla something good for my face, because like who wants to be walking around with bumpy skin? I definitely don't want to do that. Fix the mirror first. Okay, let's fix the mirror. Okay, so yeah, we finna head out, but first I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on Akaya's new Tesla, because why not? Y'all probably haven't seen what a Tesla look like inside, or you have, or you just haven't seen how this one look. We're gonna give y'all a little quick little view of the car, and then we're gonna start the videos. Obviously this is the steering wheel. It's nice. It's a leather. It has these little buttons on here. I don't know what in the world these buttons do, but they on there. There's a screen right here. I think we need to hurry up and charge up the car because it's on 58%, but this is kind of like what the car looked like. Then here's a car. It got the pedal, the control, charging, autopilot, but I'm not doing no autopilot. We got some navigation, but what we're gonna pick is a navigation to, you know, no, we're not, because I don't even know what this page is. Literally figure out how to use this. But we there's also this little colorization thing that you can use to decorate your car color. There's this tracks. Basically that's how you jam or whatever, play music. You can go back. Ooh, how you go back? Oh yeah, I remember. You have to press park, I think. Wait, you have to do the drive. Exit. Okay. And there's all these cool little things you can go on. And yeah, also there's arcade. You can play a game, beach runner. You know, there's a theater. You can watch Netflix in here, you know, as you're driving. You can go on Hulu, Twitch, Disney Channel, YouTube, TikTok. You can go on all that. And also it has Tesla tutorials, which is cool because you definitely need a tutorial up in here. So they got games, but what we're going to go on is we're going to go on the section where the Tesla picks what we're doing. Okay, well that ain't it. Okay guys, so we're gonna press navigation and we're gonna pick Lucky. Oh. Guys, so it said Walgreens, and I'm so happy because I never shopped really for hygiene care at Walgreens, so this is gonna be interesting. So since I never really shopped there before, I'm probably gonna get only like a few things from Walgreens, because I don't think really Walgreens has a lot of like really good face care and skin care things. So we're gonna drive to Walgreens, and yeah, so okay guys, I wish I turned on the movie for y'all, but it said that the movie's only available when you park. Ooh. I'm so sorry guys. Okay guys, so let's go. Let's roll up the window, because we don't want any of the bugs flying in my face. Guys, I'm trying to turn up the lighting. Okay, let's go. Guys, this car like stops like way different than our other car. So we're heading to Walgreens now. Y'all tell me what y'all buy at Walgreens or whatever for y'all skincare, you know what I mean? Tell me in the comments. I think like I said before, I'm probably gonna get some, I don't know if I said it before, but I think I'm gonna give me some like lotion, because I don't have good lotion right now. I ran out of my cocoa butter lotion, so we're gonna get some new lotion. What else should I get? Should I get some soap, guys? Should I get some more? Yeah, I like that. Y'all hear it? I think I'm gonna give me some more cocoa butter soap. I think I'm also gonna give me some lotion, like I said. And then I'm probably going to get some snacks. But I'm not gonna show y'all the snacks because you know this is a skincare video. I'm just gonna show y'all what I get. I'm probably gonna get like 2 items, like I said. And then, you know, yeah. So let's head to Walgreens. Let's go over there, let's shop. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I got in the car. Hey guys, so I kind of like this little setup better, but as I've seen whenever we went, they did not have my cocoa butter soap. I'm so mad because I love my soap and they didn't have any. So what I got was I got this new lotion. I think I've showed y'all this one before, but I switched from this one and I started getting a new little lotion moisturizer. So I've switched back to this one and I love it so much because, like, y'all know how I have, I don't know how I have, like, sometimes my skin is like dry and then it's like oily. It's kind of confusing. Like my forehead's like dry and then my skin, like my face and stuff, my cheeks and everything is like oily. So I got some of this and I think it's a 10 out of 10 because like it doesn't feel hot. Like, you know, whenever you add some of those moisturizers on that are not like fully like the type of lotion, I don't know how to explain it, but you know how it's like not really lotion but it's just a moisturizer. It feels nice. It doesn't feel hot and it doesn't feel cold, so it's like in the middle. So I like it a lot for that, and I rate it I'll give it a solid I'll give it an 8.5 because it doesn't have a smell. That's why I'll give it 8.5 because it doesn't have a smell. But otherwise, I really like this lotion. It's very nice. It's very moisturizing. I can feel my skin getting moisturized. Something else I got, it fell. So since I couldn't get my cocoa butter soap, I got me something else, and I got me these wet ones. And basically these are just hand sanitizer wipes, you know, whenever you're out and they don't have hand sanitizer, or if you left your hand sanitizer, you got these plus ones hand sanitizer wipes, and these work amazing because obviously you can use them for shopping, traveling, you know, clean your buggy basket, clean your hands before you eat, you know, and you can just keep these in your car or you can keep them in your bag for school. And these are like amazing, like you can really feel it working, literally. So yeah, that's what I got. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you also check out Akai's video because she also did a video in her Tesla, because this is her Tesla. So yeah, peace out, love you guys. Mwah.